there, YouTubes. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the world of van life and discuss some of the harsh truths that can make people rethink this unconventional lifestyle. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on these epic van life videos. One of the biggest attractions of van life is the freedom it offers, but with that freedom comes a trade-off, and that's often comfort. Living in a small space means you're sacrificing many of the conveniences and luxuries of a traditional home. And we just line it with a few bags, 2-3 bags, and it's as good as the hole that we poop in over there. The reality is it can get cramped and uncomfortable, especially in bad weather. Rainy days can be a real challenge. Limited space, condensation, and the constant battle against humidity and leaks can make van life less appealing than the Instagrammers' photos might suggest. Another tough truth about van life is the lack of amenities.
Water that I need to refill, a gas tank to refill, some more drinking waters to refill, and then I gotta dump trash. This is about a week's worth.
No running water, no bathroom, and no consistent power supply. While some experienced van lifers have ingenious solutions, it's not for everyone, and these limitations can be a real deal breaker. While van life can be a great way to connect with nature, it can also be isolating. Being on the road consistently can mean limited opportunities to build and maintain relationships. Loneliness is something that many van lifers grapple with, especially if they're introverted or struggle to meet people while constantly on the move. Being a married couple living in a van can be cramped, but we always have each other's company and we're each other's therapists. We have many ups and downs and we can talk things through. And that's one of the advantages of having a companion while van lifing. Finances are another harsh truth. Contrary to popular belief, van life isn't always cheaper than traditional living.
Just got me a sandwich and a salad because I'm a health nut.
The initial cost of outfitting a van and ongoing maintenance can add up quickly.
Backside I got the yellow ones. They're already all dirty. Okay, so this happened today. So I had to wind this up about 4 times to get it nice and taut. So today, guys, I'm going to replace this idler pulley wheel.
Plus, the unpredictable nature of freelance work or seasonal jobs often taken up by van lifers can make financial stability a real challenge. Lastly, we can't ignore the legal and safety issues. Parking and sleeping in your van isn't always legal, and safety concerns can arise when you're constantly on the move. Another reason why living in the van in a city is just not feasible for us.
We're a camper van.
Being aware of local regulation and ensuring your safety is paramount, and it can sometimes be a stressful aspect of van life. So there you have it. Some harsh truths about van life that make most people quit. But remember, van life isn't all doom and gloom. It's a unique journey with its ups and downs. If you're willing to embrace the challenges and adopt to this lifestyle, it can be incredibly rewarding. As always, be sure to do your research, be prepared, and make an informed decision. Don't go off of Instagram posts. Don't go off of the YouTube van lifers. The reality is, it's not easy. It's not for everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one.